$1,000. What are you gonna get, Al? Reese's Pieces.
That's a weird way to pronounce that.
That's how you say it. C5.
So technically it's pronounced pieces.
Please, I know my foods. There we go.
There you go. Oh, that's not fair.
Oh, you caught a hanger, man. I hate when that
I
happens.
think it's stuck.
Ah!
Yeah, that's... It never works. It really doesn't work.
It's stuck!
I know, we saw.
Here, just put another $1 in there. 2 bags.
Yeah, here, got one. Here.
Whoa! We can't be putting other dollars in these vending machines.
We can't?
No, we can't. The way the economy is now, stock market's crashing, food hanging. This isn't the
Calm
time.
down.
This isn't the place.
Calm down. It's not that big of a deal.
It's a new tomorrow. You know what? This can't stand. This is a crime. I'm calling.
The number's right here on the side. It's 1-800.
No, 911.
Thank you for calling 911. What's your emergency?
I've been robbed.
Can you give me your location?
I'm at the Metco plant.
This is illegal.
Okay, can you describe the assailant?
Tall, black.
Whoa! It's a vending machine. It's a vending machine.
Wait, I hear it's a vending machine.
Yes, it's a vending machine.
Told you.
It's a vending machine. What is the key word of a vending machine, sir?
Can't you just put another $1 in or something?
How many dollars is it going to take, sir? How many dollars are we going to let be theft and pillaged from us by these errant machines? These big corporations don't care. They're taking our dollars and they're laughing. All the way to the bank. While guys like you and me are suffering. What's your name, sir?
James?
James. James,
Yeah.
has anybody ever taken anything from you? Have you ever been robbed?
No.
Sure.
Not literally. I mean.
What about a vending machine? You ever put money in and the cup doesn't drop and it just spills?
Growing up, there was this vending machine at the playground behind school. I won a York peppermint patty. Yada yada. Put $1 in. I didn't get anything. I didn't get anything.
Tell me, James. Tell me more.
Well, I was the youngest of 5,
Oh,
and never got much for Christmas.
of course not.
I'd always say, you know, next year, Mom, Dad, right? Next year?
Never came, did it, James?
No, Al. It never did. But you know what, Al?
Tell me, James.
I'm tired of saying wait till next year.
Yes, we can, James.
Yes, we can, Al. I'm gonna get my York peppermint patty today, Al.
We must stand up and fight.
Hey, Al, guess who's coming?
I hope the police.
Oh yeah, the police are coming. Guess who else, Al?
Bring them all. Who else?
Fire trucks, Al. An ambulance, Al.
Yes, sir. CSI?
And guess what, Al? I'm gonna hang up
Yes, sir.
and I'm gonna call my parents and say, guess what? Today's my Christmas, Al.
Merry Christmas, Dave. Merry Christmas. What am I saying? I don't know. Merry Christmas. God bless him.
Why am I crying?
Damn it.
Because it was an emotional awakening.
Oh, this is so, right now I see how stupid it is. It's a fucking vending machine, but I'm really upset.
Behind everything.
I'm really upset right now.
Reese's Pieces can't be taken from us like this.
Oh, thank God, you guys are still alive.
Oh, yeah.
We need to clear the floor.
Barely.
We need to get out of here. There's police, there's fire, there's an ambulance, there's a CSI.
Send him up. Send him up.
This way. No.
Get him in here.
We need to get off the floor.
No, we're fine. The vending machine put $1 in and it didn't vend. It's a hanger or a clinger or whatever.
Yeah, it's called a hanger.
Hanger. It's a hanger.
Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, it's just it's Phantom.
The vending machine?
Yes, the vending machine. Right here. Stole.
You called. You called 911 over a vending machine?
Oh, the guy was
You called 911?
James.
You got the police here, the fire, you brought off for a vending machine?
James,
Yes,
I'm
a vending
signing
machine.
off.
Stalled.
What happened? All this?
I put $1 in, I pushed C5, and it stopped. How many dollars is it gonna take?
He's hungry.
I mean,
$2. It takes $2.
but
You put in that second dollar, you get another one, and your original purchase. That's how vending machines work. You know this.
yeah, but
You know this. You called the. Do you know how many people are outside? We've cleared the whole floor.
good. I mean, this is a tragedy.
The incompetence in this room right now
Oh, yeah.
is incredible. You guys are morons. You know what? That's it. You're fired. What? You're fired. You're gone. I will not allow someone to work at this company who's as idiotic as you two.
Get him out of here.
And you. You're gone.